Children, we are going to start our geography classes, resources, utilization and development. Mother Earth has given us so many things: rocks, soil, minerals, forests, animals. These all are gifts of nature that fulfill our day-to-day needs. So all the things that satisfies our need is called resource. Like for example, the water we drink satisfies our thirst. The food we eat, the air we breathe, all these are resource because they fulfill our needs. क्योंकि ये हमारी इच्छाओं को पूरी करता है और ये हमें पृथ्वी पर मौजूद इन चीज़ों को हम यूटिलाइज करते हुए सरवाइव कर सकते हैं. बट चिल्ड्रन, यू मस्ट रिमेंबर that human beings are one of the most important resource. Human beings are called asset. Asset means something which is very valuable, very precious, मूल्यवान. So all the things present in the environment is converted into resource by human skill and creative mind. Like iron ore is taken out from the mines and converted into steel through technology, and who is responsible for that? Human beings are responsible for that. So human beings are also one of the most important resource. Now next thing is that children will study is utility. Utility means the use of any particular thing. So use of any resource changes or varies from time to time and place to place. For example, earlier human beings utilized water only for agriculture, but now they use water for generating electricity, navigation purposes, and also in the industries. Utilization of resources depend upon 6 factors. Means if you are going to utilize a particular resource, किसी भी संसाधन को अगर हमको उपयोग में लाना है मानवता के अच्छाई के लिए, उनके हित के लिए, तो कैसे ये पॉसिबल है? पहला, फर्स्ट, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रिसोर्स. वो रिसोर्स वहाँ पे मौजूद होने चाहिए. द रिसोर्स शुड बी अवेलेबल. सेकेंड, स्किल ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. ह्यूमन बींग्स का अपना हुनर होना चाहिए उस रिसोर्स को फ्रूटफुल वे में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. थर्ड, कैपिटल शुड बी देयर. यू शुड हैव मनी ऑल्सो. देन टेक्नोलॉजी शुड बी देयर. एडवांस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी होना चाहिए. मशीनरीज अपडेटेड होने चाहिए जो एनवायरनमेंट के थिंग्स को कन्वर्ट कर सके इनटू रिसोर्स. Then if you are changing a particular thing into resource, if you are making steel from iron ore, then iron ore converted into steel you are not going to carry in your head and sell it in the market. You have to have transport and proper communication, and every industry is required water, so availability of water. So that is the 6 factors responsible for the utilization of resource. After that, after understanding these slides, there are 3 questions. Based on these slides, you answer it, write it properly in your copy and send the pic of the same.